Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Avengers and Trading. Today, we're going to be covering Plug. As you know, all the electric vehicle stuff has been total trash lately. It's been totally bearish. And the only thing, even though a lot of people are crying because they are down by so much, but the only thing you need to look at is the people who have opportunity to add when things start reversing. They're gonna be champions. So for every loser, there's gonna be a winner. For every crier, there's gonna be somebody laughing and having a good time. So let's look at Plug and see what's been going on. We're at $23 now, guys. It closed at 22.56 and it bounced up a little bit at 23 in the aftermarket. And I think tomorrow we're gonna have another big drop, and then within that same day, it's gonna bounce up, on a Friday. I think that's what they're going to do. That's my perspective, that they're going to drop it hard and then they're going to bounce it hard as well. The very same day on a Friday. That's going to be what? May 7th? Yeah, May 7th. So just be on the lookout for that, which is in a few hours. The market's going to be opening up in a few hours. But let's look at here. Look at the one day. Look at the one day. Ever since it's hit bearish, past the neutral area, in February 16th, it just keeps on dropping. So we're totally bearish right now. Until this thing hits positive, you have to be aware that the bears are in control totally. Look at these oscillators. They're all below, so you have to be aware. Yes, they get some sympathy bounces, but have you noticed the bounces have not been holding up? So let's look at where we're at. We need to measure, like, what kind of percentage drop has we had have has it been 40%, 60%, or 80%? We're looking for those magical numbers. So let's look at it here, right here, all the way down to here. Let's see where we're at. 69% right now, guys. So 75 to 80%, is the magical number where things might reverse. So you might be looking around here, maybe. Nobody likes to see that, but maybe $18, $19 area. So this could hit the teens again. And the way it's been looking, you never could know. But right now, whoever bought at that top and still holding, they're down around 60 percent or so. So yeah, the road is looking rough. It's extremely bearish. We have our SMA line right here. We have our SMA line right here, and it's been rejected. Look at that, rejected right there, and rejected right there. So the line has been holding true. If you have one of those simple moving average lines or a exponential moving average lines, all you need is this. See where it's been bouncing off of. And then of course you have your other oscillators showing you too that it's been bearish. This one bounced, it popped up a little bit, but of course it got rejected again. So these sympathy bounces, don't be holding these things. I only trade 1 hour frames right now because, trading it or swing trading it long term has not been holding up. So I only trade 1 hours now. But 1 hour, you can only hold things up 1 to 3 days, 3 days max. Anything more than 3 days is just going to drop on you and you'll be trading it for nothing, either breaking even or taking a small loss or whatever like that, but yeah, so like I said, based off of the percentage, it could hit the teens again. I would not be surprised. I mean, the institutions want to get us. They want to short us to death. They want to squeeze us to death. And I don't want to. I don't want to be in this bearish market. I want it to go up. So yeah, $19 and even $14, but I doubt $14. But you never could know. You never could know. But the thing is, whoever can get it down at this bottom before the reversal, whatever, they're going to be a true champion when it reverses and starts bouncing back up for them. But right now, you already know Plug and a lot of these electric vehicle stuff, they're not making any money, guys. I'm not being mean or anything like that. I'm just being real. A lot of them have great, ideas and great prototypes or whatever like that, but they just don't have any working infrastructure out there. And even if they do, it's not big enough for them to be making any real money. So, we're all in the toddler stage right now with a lot of this stuff. So you have to just expect, the run was really amazing, but now, the pullback, you're just gonna have to take this hit, unless you were lucky enough to sell off on the top right here, and then now you can come back in when it's when it bottoms out or whatever. But right now it just doesn't look like it. They're continually selling off on us. But I'm showing you the indicators right there, as long, like on the 1 day frame right here, there's a 1 day and there's the 4 hour frame right here. As long as the 1 day is below right here, always expect us to be bearish territory. Yes, the 4 hour might pop up for a teaser. The 1 day might pop up for a teaser for a few bucks here and there. You got this right here at 26 and a half. You could have got out at 29. So, $2.50 pop up right there. Not bad, but of course the drops have been stronger, you know. So that's where we're at with plug. I drew out the support lines right there. So it looks like maybe we might be heading down to 19, and but I doubt 14, but you never could know. Just be aware of both scenarios, So nothing's been holding up. So I drew this line. Look, it bounced up here, right? And then it broke down again. So it didn't even try to hold up on this level. Usually when things try, they kind of bounce up like this. When they try, they're like, okay, let's bounce it up like this and then drop down. But it didn't even do that. That's how horrible this market is for plug and a lot of the electric vehicle stuff. Yeah, that's where we're at. But look at it. We're heading down to 19 most definitely. It might not hit 19 exactly, but it's going down. Look at this SMA line right here, guys. I mean, just keeps on getting rejected over and over and over. Rejection. I'm not being mean. I'm not trying to I'm not trying to troll on anybody or whatever like that. It's just the way the market has been going, and your portfolio shows, I mean, it shows that it's been nothing but down and negative or whatever, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people might have bought up around here, $60, even $50, thinking, oh, $40, that is gonna pop back up. But look, we're down in $22, $23 area now. It's rough. It's brutal. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. But look for this 1 day. When the 1 day hits this positive, maybe it might be time for at least a temporary reversal. It might not do an immediate run all the way back up to $60 or $70 immediately, but at least it should have some kind of nice little bounce back up to like maybe, $40, $45. You never could know, but the bounce should be nice once things kind of reverse a little bit. But anyways, that's all I got for you for plug. I will leave a comment and let me know what else you guys want me to cover. I will talk to you guys next time. See ya.